Yeah, so we're going to be installing an SCS compression clamp. So first you want to slide in your forks. I've got some new pair of forks. Okay, if you saw my other video. So yeah, pretty sweet. Now you have to install your thingamajig, like this black thing or whatever it is. Put in your top cap, the dust cap. So you just want to twist this about. It goes in. There we go. Spins nicely. Now here's your SCS clamp. Okay, then SCS clamp is in. Your bolt. Put it in. Your bolt. Now you have to cut the slit off your bars, otherwise they snap. But I don't want to do it, so my bar snapped. That's my fault. But if they snap, I can just take that bit off and then put them back in. We'll strain them out. I want it to be kind of straight. No, I just want to tighten it. It should be stiff. So that's my back glue. Now, you want to put your bars in. Yeah guys, sorry, I just need to tighten my back glue up. Yeah, I just need it. Okay, there we just tighten my back glue. Sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, wait. I'm just tying my back glue. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna do it really quickly. I just need to find my Anki set. I'm just gonna check. My back glue is really loose. Done. Pretty tight, just to make it a bit more tighter. Because we want it borrowed glue. Okay. The screws should be held. Let's just check. Okay, now you have to slide your bars on. Now I'll put my bars on. I'll just put my camera lower so you can see me. Yeah. Oh yeah, I need my shimming on the sharp oversized bars. Put your top cap in, and now you want to slide your bars on. Okay. Now this one. Do this one. And when you get to the top, you go back to the bottom, but when you do this one, you think, oh, it's quite tight now. But when you move back to the bottom one, it will feel loose again. So you just have to keep doing it until it tightens up. This one was really loose. And then you go back to the bottom, and that one was loose again. That was loose. And you go back, it's loose again. Okay, now you've done it. The bars go up 2 inches, so you just want to get the back of the tires. This skill might feel a bit heavier. It's because you've got the SDS cap and your forks might be a bit stronger. My forks are quite chunky, so I'm going to turn the back on just a bit more. And once this account is 1 year old, I'm giving a scooter giveaway, and this one will be more customized with maybe a Proto SCS. And you can win it if you subscribe and comment and rate all my videos. You might, and like all my stuff, you might win. But if you don't complain. So this is my dog check, or dog test. That's my break. But yeah, thanks for watching. See ya. Thanks for watching.